Get him in! You're muddy.
It's not buddy. Maybe if we don't put anybody in it, it'll just flow.
All right.
And it'll float downstream and
disappear and all that hard work for nothing.
Oh yeah, that's over. I won't hurt nobody else.
yeah!
Yay, buddy, there she goes.
Let's see how fast.
Get her done, buddy! Get her done! Dad, can I jump in the river? Come on. Pull down the trail. There's no current, there's barely any current here.
Man, take him up a little creek.
Where are you going to take it?
Dad, look.
He'd shield that against the tide.
Where are you going to take it?
Where's Buddy?
I don't want to leave my canoe with them. I just want to
What are you going to do? Go over and tie that weeping willow?
I said, I don't like you not leaving my new canoe here.
Maybe that's what we should do. You should start taking the kayak. It's very fun. Just ride across in the kayak. Right across this river. Come here. Right across the river. Right
It
through.
seems kind of lopsided now with Buddy saying,
Yeah.
don't you have a fishing license?
You know? Just do that instead of bringing a bike. It'd be easy.
You could alternate boat and bike.
No, but Dad already bought one.
You could bike it and take the boat.
I want to go. I want to jump in the
Boat
water.
it, take the bike there. You have to take a stash your boats.
There's no current. There's barely any current. There's no rapid. Water's still. Water's still. Besides, I can see
Here
the
it
bottom.
comes.
How many men have you done that to today?
Right there. George!
Right here, laying down with one big long branch, and that thing sticking up that way. So just put those in right here.
Oh, that.
Like walking up to you with
Ooh, it's good.
I've had leggings on all day, but I just took those off. I want to get those ready for rolling.
Wow, that motorboat's so quiet. Listen to that motorboat. It's so quiet. That motorboat's so quiet. Listen to it.
I threw that way.
That's long.
Thanks.
I like that.
Yeah, he's back.
We'll have to.
Carry me.
What did he
Let me
say?
jump in.
What did he say? What did he say?
So if I go off the deep end, will you let me?
What did he say? What did that guy just say?
How's man?
How is it?
You know, you.
Is there any leak?
Drive it too?